Welcome, this is Mariola from Artisan Kitchen. Today we are going to make nice and easy dumplings. My friend Deborah asked me to share with you the recipe. This German Spaetzle dumplings recipe is something that I have been familiar since my childhood, remembering my mom making it as a part of the soup or with the meat in the sauces. For this recipe, you are going to need 1 egg, half a cup of flour, 1/3 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder, and approximately 1 cup of room temperature water. Boil about 1 to 2 gallons of water that is generously salted. Mix all the ingredients in one bowl. Keep mixing. It will seem a little hard at the beginning. You'll keep adding the water until the consistency is a little thicker than pancake batter. You know you will be done mixing when your batter will form a little bit of a ribbons when you lift the spoon of the bowl. Like that. Slowly take 1 teaspoon at a time of the butter and drop it gently into the boiling water. Boil for 5 to 7 minutes until they're tender and thoroughly cooked through. Drain your dumplings gently and place them on a plate. You can serve these dumplings nice and hot with the butter that is melting, a little olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and perhaps salt. Or you can add your own gravy with mushrooms. Whatever you decide, it's going to be delicious. Thank you for watching our video how to make German Spaetzle dumplings and enjoy them in a fast and easy way. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel under Mariola Artisan Kitchen. Look us up online at theartisankitchen.online and sign up for any of the programs you might be interested in.